yeah, man, it's a lot of patches. I mean, a whole lot.
What up, YouTube? Thank you for tuning back into the channel. Quick question. It's gonna be a quick video. I wasn't gonna do a video, but I got a situation that came up today, and I wanted to talk to you guys about it. Of course, on my way to work, gotta be working about an hour, and this guy hit me up. Now, I hit this guy up a while back on some stuff that he was selling. He's just now hitting me back, and he told me, you know, yeah, I still got it, I'm still selling it, but somebody else is interested as well. Now, he told me who was interested in it, and I guess the reason why he told me is because we have mutual friends. He was asking me if I knew him. I know exactly who it is. He told me if I could pick it up today, he'd sell it to me since I asked first, but if not, he'll probably go ahead and sell it to him. Now, I work 2 to 10, so I can only get it before work. I couldn't get after, and you know, just one of those things. Question for y'all is, have you ever picked up something like on a whim like that? Like, you know, it's time crunch, or maybe you didn't do no research, but you just went on a whim thinking that it would be good, and you know, if you failed or if maybe you succeeded, you know, just question for y'all.
Yes, sir.
This should be a quick video. I don't know if I'm gonna film up here or not when I meet up with him, because I didn't bring my GoPro.
Oh,
like I said, it was on a whim. I'm on my cell phone right now, so just a quick question for y'all. I'm gonna show you guys what we get, what I got when we meet up, and let me know how you think I did. I'm actually paying $450 for this stuff, so this is not, you know, little stuff. You know, 450 is 450.
Straight up.
I should be able to make my money back. We'll see. We'll see. So let me just meet up with this guy, and after I get the product, I'll show you. We'll talk a little bit more. Hey, I'm doing all right. How you doing?
All right.
That's great. That's great. Okay.
Dude, I looked some of these up. Some of these just got, some of them have numbers on the back of them, like World War II.
Okay.
Like 1944.
I gotcha.
World War II.
Yeah, that's
dude,
my father said.
One of them sold for $70 on eBay.
Really?
I swear to God, dude, you need to investigate these. I just don't have time. I need to research these because my mother-in-law's dying. I'm having a yard sale for my neighbor. They don't know nothing about it.
Okay.
So, but man, some of these and stuff that's got World War II and stuff like that on it, dude, is worth some money. So,
okay.
Yeah, man. So one of them sold on. I seen one of the gray ones about like this here. See, it's got 1944.
Okay, got stitched in there.
Yeah, they got the World War II, man, and they're old. There's some of them in here new. See,
okay.
Here's some of the
those Davin ones you sent me.
Yeah, man, these are cool. You need to investigate these before you do anything, especially the ones with the numbers on the back. And there's a ton of them in there with the numbers.
Got the dates on it.
Yeah, some of them's got. See, like these right here, man. These are real, been cut off of.
Yeah, they came out the uniform.
They come off straight off the uniforms, dude. And stuff like that. They're worth some money. So I just don't have time.
Yeah, I know how it is.
See, like here's another one.
1943. Okay, yeah.
I mean, these are old pieces. So my grandfather was in the Navy.
Okay.
And these was all his, but we've taken some and put them in picture frames, and we gave them to my mom, and we put some of his stuff. So
okay. You just ain't have time. Well, no, I noticed you said you. I guess you buy out estate sales and stuff like that too.
Yeah, I buy off estate sales. And I'm having one. That's what all these tables and stuff like that.
I'm gonna have to come check you out because I do a little bit of eBay myself.
Do you?
Yeah.
You need to really investigate some of these World War II ones, and there's some of them brand new. Like there's one here. There's a bunch of them still in the packages, dude. I mean, there's a bunch of them in here that's still in the packages.
Okay, like this, yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling you. Some of them are brand spanking new, old stock, and so they're killer pieces, dude. Look, 1944 again.
Okay, yeah. They
you
got
know what I'm saying? So just need to check the back of them.
So you can count that. I think I got. But
40, 60,
yeah, man,
80,
these
100,
I appreciate it. You said it's probably about 700 of these,
60,
something like that.
81, maybe more.
So
I've never 20, 60, 80, 100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 86. That's it.
That's it, okay.
That's it, brother. That's it, brother. Sorry about that.
That's all good. Hey,
I haven't had no sleep. My mother-in-law's dying. I had to take my wife down to Bristol, Tennessee. Had to drop her off. I got about an hour's sleep, 2 hours sleep, came back.
Oh, wow.
We got to put I got to take the dogs to the kennels. I got to have my friend's yard sale Thursday and Friday, and then you know, it depends on what happened to her. I might have to run back down Tennessee.
That sucks.
So
I might have to. Yeah, I'm put these in the back. I might have to make a trip one day. I do a lot of yard sales. Like I went to 2 estate sales this past week.
Yeah.
And
what else do you like?
I mean, a little bit of everything. Vintage stuff is my thing, and electronics, video games, stuff like that.
You like
know?
video games?
Oh
like
yeah.
Nintendo?
Yes, definitely,
Okay.
definitely.
Cool, brother.
Definitely love stuff like that. So,
Well, man,
anytime you have stuff like that,
I'll send you pictures.
yeah, definitely.
You got my number?
Yeah,
Hey,
yeah, I got it. The picture.
You
Yeah.
got my phone number?
Yeah, I got it.
Send me a text, say that I'm the guy that bought the patches, and I'll put you in there as Nintendo games. And if you can think of some other things you like, just let me know. Because I just sold a brand new Nintendo in the original box, never been played with. I had 25 games.
Wow.
Oh, come on, man. The games had never been, it had all kinds of controllers and everything. I sold it for $200.
Wow.
And I could have pieced it up. It even had posters of the Nintendo.
Right.
Next time I'll just send you pictures.
Yeah,
Just
definitely.
send me
I send
your
you a text
number.
and put everything in
Send
there.
me your number,
I definitely do that.
Hey, man, I appreciate it.
You take it easy. All right, so as you can see, I got some patches. A lot more than I thought, to tell you the truth. Let me turn you. There's well over, I don't know, man, there's a lot. I paid $450. What you guys think? You know? 1943, 1944. He's the Navy. It's like first class right there. Second class. I forget exactly what that one's for. But a lot of these look like they came off the uniform. You can see the stitching and stuff. You know? I mean, come on now. I mean, my God. Then he had some, where were they at? There was some diving ones he threw in here as well. I don't know exactly where they went, but 3 whole boxes. I mean, if I had to estimate how many was in here, man, I couldn't even tell you. I mean, they go all the way to the bottom. So, alright, another butt in. I just counted this box just to kind of give me an estimate on what I think I had, because he said there was about 700. This box alone has 505 patches in it. So it was way off. I mean, I hadn't even counted this box, and you can kind of see, you know, these boxes are fairly thick. You know, and they pretty much to the top. So on the floor here, I got 500. I did it in groups of 20. 505 patches. And I still got these to go. So I say I roughly have, if you had to estimate, you know, 500 in here. I don't know, maybe a little less than that in there. Same as that, that's a little wider. I say I got about 1,200, 1,300 patches here. You know, I'm not going to sit here and count these because I got to go to work. It'll take me too long. The kids helped me count these right here. But yeah, he was way off. So I'm in these for pennies. I paid $450 for everything. Some of these patches go for some great money. So I'm very happy about this. I'll keep you updated. Let y'all know the first one I sell, when I start listing and all that good stuff. So yeah, this will keep my kids busy. I got my oldest son. He's going to list some of this stuff for me. On a couple of different platforms. So I'm happy about this purchase, man. This purchase right here might be okay. So we'll see. Like I said, I'll keep you guys updated and all that good stuff. This is Simpsonville Outlet for those of y'all who are from Kentucky. I believe that's successful. Well, it's not successful until you sell the stuff, right?
Yes, sir.
When I hit that 450 mark on sales, then it was successful. Then everything after that is pure profit. So, and not only that, I found another my guy. You know, the dude, he does liquidations, clean outs and stuff like that. And seems like he always has stuff for sale. So, you know, he told me to text him later, tell me stuff that I'm interested in. And he'll lock me in. And when he finds stuff, he'll hit me up. It's always great when you can have, when you have somebody that calls you about the stuff that you like.
Yes,
hopefully
sir.
this will turn into a nice business relationship. So it's crazy because I say about a year ago, I never told people what I did. You know, it was like, get the stuff, you leave like it was bad. But now, hell, I make sure I tell everybody. You know, so all you people who don't tell people what you do are scared to open your mouth about being an eBay seller or a reseller or whatever. You know, it only takes one relationship to boost you on top. So with all that being said, I ain't gonna bore you guys. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna get to work, knock out these 8 hours, and yeah, y'all be good. Peace.